Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows 11 Hello Face recognition is failing to activate your camera or recognize you, it usually points to a stalled biometric service or a corrupted facial profile database. I will show you exactly how to reset these core components and restore your fast login right now. Let's get started. First, restarting the underlying system service that controls your facial recognition hardware can resolve temporary glitches. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter to open the Windows Services application. Scroll down the alphabetical list to find and select the Windows Biometric Service. Right-click the entry and select Restart, or click Start if the background service is currently stopped. Next, if your saved facial profile data is corrupted, you must clear the system database and register your face again. Stop the Windows Biometric Service temporarily using the exact same right-click menu from the previous step. Open File Explorer and navigate directly to the C:\Windows\System32\WinBio database directory. Delete all the files inside this folder, restart your computer, and set up Windows Hello Face from scratch in your settings. Finally, if the camera still fails to launch, the core Windows Hello optional feature may be completely damaged. Press the Windows key, type Optional Features, and press Enter to jump directly to the correct settings page. Locate Windows Hello Face in your list of installed features, click it, and select Uninstall. Click View Features at the top of the page, search for Windows Hello Face, and install a fresh copy. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.